It's not the strongest species that survive, nor the most intelligent one, but rather the most adaptive to change. Let's talk about us, the humans, who have evolved from being apes to the most dominating species of this world. Why? Because we all choose to change. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Garima Singh, and in today's video we'll talk about life and adaptation. Today I need you all to stand tall and face it all. Remember, tough times do not last, but tough people do. I know you all feel stressed, but in spite of all this mess, if you are still watching this video, it means you are blessed. COVID-19 has got the whole world on a time out. So guys, learn to adapt to changes and adjust yourself in any situation, because you only have two options: either you break down or you break through. I have a little story here to share with you all. It's all about the eagle's rebirth. Eagles have the longest lifespan of their species. It can live up to 70 years. But to reach that age, it had to make some hard decisions. When it reaches the 40th year of its age, its flexible long talons become unable to grab the prey. Its long and sharp beak becomes too bent. Feathers become thick and heavy, making it difficult to fly. Now, the eagle had only two options left with itself: either to die or to go through a painful process of change. In order to change, it requires the eagle to fly to a mountain top, where the eagle knocks down its beak against a rock until it plucks down. It now waits for its beak to grow back, and once it starts plucking its feather and talons. After 5 months, the darkness fades away, and the eagle is now ready to take the flight of the rebirth and live for next 30 years. From this story, we have seen that the eagle has to go through a painful process in order to live his next 30 years happily. Similarly, in our life, we also have some bad time and unpleasant memory. Every one of us have ups and downs, and this is what we call life. Life is not perfect, but what one can do is one can always condition one's mind that whatever bad or tough time will come, it too shall pass. And 99.9% of the time, it is enough and it works. Remember, do not let your downs to push you down. Look for solution, learn from your past, adapt to change, enhance your laughter, and enjoy your life. This is the right time. You need to understand the positive side of yourself. You guys need to figure it out. What are the things that confine you at your place? You might be dancing, singing, or might be engaged in some kind of art to keep yourself positive and engaged. This will help you to release the negative energy. Giving out the negative energy is very important, as this will make your time pass, and you will now put yourself in a position to get back to work. This time will help you to self-assess yourself, and you will think about what are the things that you don't like about yourself. You can write it down and work upon it. Guys, this is the time when we need to change, adapt, and grow. That's it for today's video, guys. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel.